So I'm only going to pour it up to there because now it will foam up. Happening very slow. So this morning I've been in the craft studio in the acid house working on my final bits of foam experiments and silicon tests. My project orientates about architecture and creating a playful response from the shapes that we see in everyday life. So it's creating those forms and casting them in different materials that can be used as educational toys for kinesthetic learners. So they can be sculptural pieces as well as being used for education. There's just a bit on the thing, and then it will... So a kinesthetic learner, from what I have researched, is a person that uses objects to learn. So it's like using a whiteboard in mathematics, or it's using like counters to, again, count and subtract a core subject. But that's good, I prefer it to do that, then I can just chop that off if I need to. So with my work, I'm hoping it will be more of like fidget toys and objects that the audience can put together for their own pleasure. So it's that moment of playful and a joy they will get from viewing the work. That's the whole point of it, is creating a space for play. I need to clean it up, but that's essentially what it's for. You can find my work at the Arts University Plymouth Summer Show, which runs from the 23rd of June.